these are students from who have been the nominated sent by the district lead colleges. All
You actually poster is itself self-explanatory. कभी भी अगर आपको कोई ये कहे
Board of Principal of Kashmir Division Colleges, Professor Dr. Srimanaz. It's all because of her efforts that today we are here gathered, and the arrangements, behind every arrangement, their support, and we are very much thankful to her. She is always, working tirelessly and selflessly in order to contribute not only to this college but to the colleges of the Kashmir Division. Now, I will request her with this vital couplet to come on the stage and through this contest for you. रोशनी से अंधेरे को मिटाती है, यही वो शख्सियत है जो हर दिल में जगह बनाती है.
This college, that's the Government College of Education, also the nodal office of Kashmir Division, and I'm very happy to host you all today and celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. This institution has always celebrated this occasion with great fervor. It's not the first time that as a nodal office we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. This institution is a teacher training institution, and right from its inception we have been always celebrating this day with great pride, because we are very proud of our national hero Mahatma Gandhi, and this is a part of curriculum, and also this is the only institution in Kashmir Division which has the Gandhian Studies Center. So I take the proud privilege of hosting you all today in celebrating Gandhi Jayanti with all the students from all the 10 districts of Kashmir Division. It is also a very proud moment for me today, because I am not celebrating it at my own institutional level, but I have accomplished to move the nodal office to this college and celebrating this function as a part of a nodal activity of the Kashmir Division colleges, which is really a very proud moment for me today, because for the first time all of you are visiting this institution under the nodal office of Kashmir Division colleges.
With their valuables, and truth is for all Muslims, and you just introspect. I have to introspect myself, how much truthful I am towards the society, towards myself, towards my own people. So it starts right from me, and it's very important for all of us to follow it. So Sati is for all of us to follow. And about Ahimsa, we know that present world is not working in that format. Violence is all around, and scores are being settled, things are being settled, conflicts are being settled with violence only. We need to rethink on that, and it's really wonderful to know that this college has started a center about Gandhi and this thought process, and this center should move out. I do not know that this college has a Gandhian center. It's wonderful to know that, and this center should move out and reach out to the society in a big way. We'll be also connecting with them, and I hope with time they will move out and they will reach out to the society with the Gandhian philosophy. With these words, I thank you for coming to this gathering. And what is important, that three kind of competitions we have initiated in different colleges at district level and now at the divisional level. The aim is only to percolate the message of Gandhi down the line, and to bring in equity, to tell all our students that you should follow what Gandhi did during his lifetime. And now today we have a divisional contest, and the winners of this contest will go to the program tomorrow. There will be a program conducted at the divisional level by the government, and in that program they will be honored with prizes. First 3 position holders of today's this contest, they will be honored with the prizes, and the teams they will be performing there, they will be also honored with the prize money. With these words, I thank you very much for this.
हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना डाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। मन भी था ताना पर तू भी था बापू बड़ा उस्ताद पुराना, मारा वो कस के दांव के उल्ट।
Albert Einstein, when once asked about Gandhi, said, generations to come will scarce believe that such a man as this one, ever in flesh and blood, walked upon the face of this earth. Arguably the most famous Indian of all time, Mahatma Gandhi today is remembered not only as a political leader who spearheaded India's struggle for independence against the British rule, but also as a world-renowned philosopher, theorist, and a practitioner.
47. Here are a few famous quotes of Mahatma Gandhi, that is, be the change that you wish to see in the world. An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. The future depends on what you do in the present. Freedom is not worth having if it does not.
Celebrated as the Day for Non-Violence. We all are aware that he was accredited for having played an active role in his fight against the racial discrimination in South Africa. He was accredited for leading the national freedom struggle in India. He has led so many movements in India, be it Chheda Satyagraha, be it Champaran Satyagraha, be it non-cooperation movement, be it civil disobedience movement, be it Quit India movement. Through wars, through weapons, through force? No! Through the simple path of non-violence and Satyagraha. This was Mahatma. Well, now the question arises that is the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi still relevant today? In the era of
their actions. But what is their message? That they can save the planet without harming others or resorting to aggression. You may wonder how ahimsa is related to us, you and me. What about if we apply ahimsa in our conflict resolution and dialogue? Yes, in our daily lives, we can solve our conflicts without aggression. Ahimsa isn't passive. Listening, empathy, and understanding become our tools for peace. Gone are the days, I guess, when ahimsa was the only tool to demand our basic human rights like justice and equality. But ahimsa again and again has played a vital role to demand the same rights without aggression. Just Satya now, how it is relevant to our contemporary world. Satya isn't just about avoiding little white lies. No, it's of course more powerful than that. Then what is Satya? What is truth? Satya starts with you. It's about being true to yourself. Imagine it with the truth, but with a capital T, like the ultimate reality. And also, it's like a GPS path.
People goes to waste. The fashion industry contributes 10% of global carbon emission. And wealth inequality is staggering, with the richest 1% owning half of the world's wealth. In India, the top 10% hold 77% of national wealth. Closer to our homes, over 20,000 lives have been lost to terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir in last 2 decades, while 733 million people suffer from
Gandhi and its principles and his philosophy, the Satyagraha and non-violence. The Gandhian principle of Satyagraha, the truth force and non-violence, is indispensable today as when he introduced it. The Satyagraha and non-violence is inseparable from love. For Gandhi, truth was the synonymous with God, and God was the ultimate expression of love. Because truth is immortal.
As we know, Mahatma means a great soul. And was he really a great soul could be understood by just taking a test Like, for example, if he was alive today, in this present tumultuous world, if Gandhi was alive, how he would have reacted to the present circumstance and the present crisis of the world. What would have been his response in the times of Ukraine war? How he would have responded. And I understand each one of us, whether from any ideology or from any religion or any place, would surely, you can say, describe him in unison, that he would have definitely taken certain steps.
हमारे प्रोफेसर साहबान इस प्रोग्राम में शिरकत करने के घर से आए हुए दूर करीब से हमारे सरमाए नाज व इफ्तिखार शाहीन तला दीगर अफ़कायदा अजीज़ तलबा व तालिबात, अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह। ये बात मेरे लिए बाइस फ़ख्र इंबिसात भी है और लायक एजाज़ इम्तियाज़ भी कि मुझे इस प्रोग्राम के लिए शुक्राने की तहरीर पेश करने का मौका दिया गया, जिसके लिए मैं इंतज़ामिया का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। अपनी जिम्मेदारी को अमली जामा पहनाते हुए सबसे पहले जिस हस्ती और शख्सियत का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा वो किसी रस्मी तारीफ और तारीफ के मोहताज नहीं। जी हाँ, मेरी मुराद जनाब प्रोफेसर शेख एजाज बशीर साहब से है। इंतहाई अबकरी और नाबीने रोजगार शख्सियत के मालिकास की बेअदबी और बेनज़ीर मिसाल है। आपने इंतहाई मसरूफियात के बावजूद हमारे दावतनामे को कबूल करके अपनी तशरीफ आवरी से न सिर्फ हमारी हौसला अफजाई की बल्कि इस मजलिस की ज़ीनत और वक़ार को भी बढ़ा दिया। इसके लिए मैं पूरे कॉलेज इंतज़ामिया की तरफ से आपका समीम कल्ब से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। ख़वातीन और हज़रात, यहाँ ये बात वाज़ेह करता चलूँ कि प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर एजाज बशीर साहब हर वक्त हमारी हौसला अफजाई के लिए हमारे पीछे खड़े होते रहा है। मैं एक बार फिर पूरे कॉलेज इंतज़ामिया की तरफ से इन अशार के साथ इनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा। मुंतज़िर जश्न भी थी, कल भी था और जान भी थी। मुंतज़िर जश्न भी थी, कल भी था और जान भी थी, हसरत भी थी और अरमान भी था। तुम रंग हो, तुम नूर हो, तुम शीशा हो, तुम जान। तुम रंग हो, तुम नूर हो, तुम शीशा हो, तुम जान। किरणों से बड़ी सुबह हो, तारों से बड़ी शाम। रंगीन है, सरशार है, मस्ताना है दुनिया। तुम है निगाह में तो परी खाना है दुनिया। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर आपका।
It's a time for result announcement and distribution of awards. As I told you earlier that गिरते हैं शाहसवार मैदानी जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के वक्त से। सभी बच्चों ने यहाँ देह को performed well, whether it was in declamation contest or painting or quiz. But after all, somebody is scoring highest stand where accordingly they believe him for second and third. From Amarship College. Degree College, Boys and Apna.
Congratulations.
क्विज में जो हमारे but we will give process please.
No, we will.
Both of them. Please come under.
और आप कहाँ से हैं बेटा? GTC? दूर आएंगे तो दोनों आए. We'll just take it for a moment and then we'll send it to your college. ले लो ये साथ ले जो. शाबाश.
Vasila.
Congratulations.
from GDC Badgaon.
किस कोर्स और मेजर क्या है?
Boys Management.
बड़ा इनाम है, ये तो छोटा है आज।
साल हम गांधी जयंती को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं कॉलेज में, तो हम सारी यूटी के कॉलेज में ये सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। हम इसके लिए अलग अलग कॉन्टेस्ट कंडक्ट करते हैं। तो इस साल हमने कश्मीर डिवीज़न में भी और जम्मू डिवीज़न में भी ये कॉन्टेस्ट किए हैं। कश्मीर डिवीज़न में हमने हर एक कॉलेज में, हमारे पास 72 कॉलेज हैं कश्मीर में, तो हर एक कॉलेज में हमने ये कंटेस्ट कराया है। तो ये 3 टाइप के कॉन्टेस्ट हमने किए हैं। डेक्लेमेशन कॉन्टेस्ट किया है, क्विज कंपटीशन किया है और पेंटिंग कंपटीशन किया है। ये हर एक कॉलेज में हुआ है। फिर ये डिविजनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे लीड कॉलेज में हुआ है और आज यहाँ कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन में डिविजनल लेवल पे हुआ है। तो इस कॉन्टेस्ट में जो हमारे विनर्स हैं उनको आज हमने ट्रॉफीज यहाँ पे दी हैं, और जो फर्स्ट 3 विनर्स हमारे कॉन्टेस्ट के हैं उनको हम कल एक फंक्शन में हम उनको ऑनर करेंगे, प्राइज मनी के साथ ऑनर करेंगे। बेसिक एम इसका है दैट वी स्प्रेड द मैसेज ऑफ Mahatma Gandhi among the youth, message of non-violence and message of truthfulness. That is the aim of these programs, and I suppose we are achieving this by conducting these programs equitably among all the colleges of the UT.
कि मुझे इस प्रोग्राम के लिए शुक्राने की तहरीक पेश करने का मौका दिया गया, जिसके लिए मैं इंतज़ामिया का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। अपनी जिम्मेदारी को अमली जामा पहनाते हुए सबसे पहले जिस हस्ती और शख्सियत का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा वो किसी रस्मी तारीफ और तारीफ़ के मोहताज नहीं। जी हाँ, मेरी मुराद जनाब प्रोफेसर शेख एजाज बशीर साहब से है। इंतहाई अबकरी और नाबिगे रोज़गार शख्सियत के